I think I took the most single boring route through Chiang Mai ever. There's been nothing. Like just houses. Like the houses are like nice now, but it's like looking for a bit of history. We're right in the centre of the moat. That's why I'm not even using Google Maps, because you can't get lost. You hit the river, just stay within there and just walk around. So yeah, typical me finding the most boring place ever. Anyway, we'll continue this morning trek. Still haven't got breakfast yet. I'm still looking for something, and then I'm gonna start doing some street photography and chilling out a bit, and then we get into it. Like, you know, I'm here for 3 weeks, plenty of time to explore the place. But yeah, I'm liking the chilled out vibe. Like, it's no motorbikes. It's been 10 seconds, no motorbikes, and I'm in the middle of the road. So, you know, again, early on a Sunday morning, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes.
Is this all that you dreamed it'd be? Ending up here, ending up with me. You could have gone anywhere, been anyone. You stole my heart like a thief on the run. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, beautiful. With you here next to me. I dream in color, you're black and white. And I prefer the country to your city lights. But we made our bed and it feels just right. So I'll stay here with you for the rest of my nights. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, beautiful.
Really, because I'm thinking of changing my setup for easier travel. I'm getting old. It's getting tiring carrying around all this gear. So I'm seeing if I can lighten it down to make it a lot easier. I might have to get a proper mic for this though, and then get rid of the DJI walking one. So we're gonna test out a few things, see what works.
With you here next to me. Oh, it's beautiful, the life that we've made here. Oh, it's beautiful, and I don't wanna take it for granted. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. Now we're building bridges
might be looking a bit perplexed because I've done the math and I think that was a 27-cent breakfast. It was 40 baht. Bottle of water, 4 slices of toast, an egg and a bit of tomato. Now it's not luxury, but it filled the hole and it's, you know, nutritious in a sense. You know, you get the protein from the egg, you got like some stuff from the tomato and water to hydrate. Anyway, I think I know what the issue was. I was walking around on the outskirts. So I'm heading directly for the city centre or town centre or village centre or whatever this is. And then we're going to see what's really happening. Now that I got some breakfast in, we're going to do some street photography as well. So I'm going to be out here for a little while. My friends don't arrive until 2 p.m. today. They'll probably be a little wrecked as well. So I hate saying I'm sorry about that. I really have to try phase that out. And then yeah, we'll see what we're doing. The next few days are going to be kind of adventure stuff with me and my friends. I don't know if they want to get in on any videos, so we'll see. But I have enough videos going for the meantime. And yeah, I've 1 or 2 other planned for here. Found the main road. I'm sorry about the ads. It's Chiang Mai, like there's nothing really exciting. There's a good few temples around, massage places. You can learn Muay Thai boxing. I think it's more the adventure stuff, you know. And then there's an elephant sanctuary here. I'm very cautious about that, personally, myself. Their level of standard might be up to what's ethically correct. It seems like the most ones that would be good to go to, but we'll see how it goes. This is a cool dragon. Check this thing out. That's savage. I'm walking on the street a little bit better now, like, you know, not many people. I think people are kind of just used to it nowadays, I suppose. People just walking around talking to a camera. Got some breakfast, as you've seen. It was very cheap. It's filling. Wasn't luxury around, but done the job. And if you're on a budget, 40 baht. Can't go wrong. Now, unfortunately, my stature here is not going to sustain me for too long. And I do a lot of walking as well. There's a lot of cafe shops. I think they're so relaxed here. Like, not a lot of things are open yet. Like, and it's Sunday. I keep on forgetting it's Sunday. So yeah, we're just gonna go around, explore. I haven't done any photography yet. Haven't found it. Well, I might have actually found a spot here. So I'm gonna chill out here for a bit and see if I can find a composition that might suit. I might throw it up into the video, and maybe not. But I'll get some more footage in as well. Butchered that name, I am terribly sorry. Who designed, constructed and built this temple here and opened it to the public in 1997. Very interesting. Let's go get some detailed shots, shall we?